obviously I'm sad about Bella, but it just makes it worse that these are the people that are supposed to be there to protect and serve. It almost makes me feel like I can't call law enforcement for help when this is who we don't know if we're going to get a bad cop or a good cop.
In numerous videos and many posts online, I'm seeing people making the mistake of saying police are obligated to serve and protect the public. That belief couldn't be further from the truth. Before we debunk this notion, we must research how the "to protect and to serve" motto was created. In February 1955, the Los Angeles Police Department, through the pages of the internally produced Beat magazine, conducted a contest for a motto for the police academy. The conditions of the contest stated that the motto should be one that in a few words would express some or all the ideals to which the Los Angeles Police Service is dedicated. It is possible that the winning motto might someday be adopted as the official motto of the department. The winning entry was the motto, "To protect and to serve," submitted by Officer Joseph S. Dorbeck. "To protect and to serve" became the official motto of the police academy, and it was kept constantly before the officers in training as the aim and purpose of their profession. With the passing of time, the motto received wider exposure and acceptance throughout the department. On November 4, 1963, the Los Angeles City Council passed the necessary ordinance, and the credo has now been placed alongside the city seal on the department's patrol cars. Subsequently, many police departments nationwide have incorporated the venerable saying into their own police oaths of office. However, many invert the order of the words "protect" and "serve." With this motto being adopted nationwide, are police actually required to serve and protect the public? The answer to that question is no. In the 1981 case Warren versus District of Columbia, the D.C. Court of Appeals held that police have a general public duty, but that no specific legal duty exists unless there is a special relationship between an officer and an individual, such as a person in custody. The U.S. Supreme Court has also ruled that police have no specific obligation to protect. In its 1989 decision in DeShaney versus Winnebago County Department of Social Services, the justices ruled that a social services department had no duty to protect a young boy from his abusive father. In 2005's Castle Rock versus Gonzalez, a woman sued the police for failing to protect her from her husband after he violated a restraining order and abducted and killed their 3 children. Justices said the police had no such duty. Most recently, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the 11th Circuit upheld a lower court ruling that police could not be held liable for failing to protect students in the 2018 shooting that claimed 17 lives at Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School in Parkland, Florida. Neither the Constitution nor state law impose a general duty upon police officers or other governmental officials to protect individual persons from harm, even when they know the harm will occur, said Darren L. Hutchinson, a professor and associate dean at the University of Florida School of Law. Police can watch someone attack you, refuse to intervene, and not violate the Constitution. Courts have rejected the argument that students are in custody of school officials while they are on campus, Mr. Hutchinson said. Custody is narrowly confined to situations where a person loses his or her freedom to move freely and seek assistance on their own, such as prisons, jails, or mental institutions. With all this being revealed, I hope people who are watching this don't make the mistake into believing or expecting that police are here to protect us. They are not. Their duties are to enforce federal, state, and local laws, which is why they're called law enforcement officers. With so much police corruption taking place in America, always record your interactions with the police and always exercise your right to remain silent. Remember, anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.